Welcome back to Capsa. Today we are diving into a topic that fascinates everyone: dreams. Have you ever wondered what happens when we close our eyes and enter a world filled with strange, vivid experiences? Why do we dream, and what is the purpose of these nightly adventures? In this video, we are going to explore the science of sleep, understand the stages of sleep, and discover what exactly happens in our brain when we dream. So grab a pillow, sit back, and let's unravel the mysteries of our mind. Our sleep is divided into two main types: non-REM sleep and REM sleep. Let's break down these stages one by one. Stage 1: this is the lightest stage of sleep. It is the transitional phase where your body is drifting from wakefulness to sleep. Stage 2: where your body starts to relax further. You experience a drop in body temperature and your brain waves slow down. Stage 3, known as deep sleep or slow wave sleep. This is where your body undergoes physical restoration. The brain emits slow delta waves, and it's hard to wake someone up from this stage. REM sleep. This is where the magic happens. Your brain activity ramps up, and this is when most dreaming occurs. It's called rapid eye movement because your eyes dart back and forth under your eyelids. Interestingly, your body is paralyzed during this phase to prevent you from acting out of your dreams. While we know a lot about what happens during sleep, the exact reason why we dream is still a mystery. Scientists believe that dreaming serves several functions. First one is memory consolidation. During REM sleep, our brain processes and stores the information we learned throughout the day. Second one is emotional processing. Dreaming helps us deal with emotions. It's like a safe space for your brain to process complex feelings and cope with stress. Third one is problem solving. Have you ever waken up with a solution to a problem you have been struggling with? Dreams can help us work through issues creatively. Last one is brain maintenance. The brain is also thought to perform a cleanup process during dreaming, reorganizing neural connections and removing unnecessary ones. There are several prominent theories about why we dream. First one is Freud's psychoanalytic theory. Sigmund Freud believed that dreams are a reflection of our deepest, often unconscious desires and anxieties. They are a window into our subconscious mind. Second one is activation synthesis theory. According to this theory, dreams are the result of the brain trying to make sense of random electrical activity during sleep. The brain synthesizes this activity into a story, creating what we perceive as a dream. Third one is information processing theory. This theory suggests that dreaming is the brain's way of processing the information gathered throughout the day, helping us solve problems and make sense of our experiences. Let's talk about some interesting types of dreams. Lucid dreams. This is when you are aware that you are dreaming, and sometimes you can even control the narrative of your dreams. It's like being the director of your own movie. Second one is sleep paralysis. This phenomena occurs when your mind wakes up before your body does, leaving you temporarily unable to move or speak. It can be quite frightening, but it's harmless. Third one is nightmares and night terrors. Nightmares are scary dreams that can wake you up while night terrors typically happen during deep sleep and can cause intense fear without any specific dream imaginary. Last one is recurring dreams. These are dreams that happen repeatedly, often reflecting unresolved issues in our waking life. Here are some fascinating fun facts about dreams. Did you know that blind people also dream? They might not see visuals, but they experiences dreams with sounds, emotions, and smells. You forget 90% of your dreams within minutes of wake up. That's why keeping a dream journal can help you remember them. Not everyone dreams in color, but in fact, 12% of people dream in black and white. And yes, animals dream too. If you have ever seen your dog twitching in its sleep, they are probably chasing a squirrel in their dreams. Dreams are fascinating window into our subconscious mind, offering a mix of mystery and science. They can be fun, scary, or outright bizarre. So, what do you dream about? Share your craziest dreams in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational content. Sweet dreams, and I will see you in the next video.